As a passenger on an airplane, you want to know your pilot is in tip-top shape. In this morning's Health Matters, John Bafara looks at the role doctors play in assessing whether pilots are fit to fly.
Most of us see family physicians for our general health care needs. But if you're a pilot or looking to get your aviation license, your medical exam has to be completed by a qualified FAA physician. Dr. Burr is one of the few here in Lee County.
Aviation medical exams are examinations that are required by the FAA for pilots who are licensed to fly either a private pilot or any sort of rating that they may have.
There's a lot of ins and outs of it that, just depending on your specific case, can determine what you can and can't do.
The pilot's medical history is gone over by the FAA, and then they have a long list of strict requirements that they must pass, some of which you may be surprised by.
For example, there are stringent requirements not only for eyesight, as you can imagine, for color vision, but also for hearing and any other medical issues that may come up with the patient, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes.
So the cleaner a pilot's everyday lifestyle, the easier it should be for them to pass their medical exam, with flying colors, that is. Reporting for Lee Memorial Health System, I'm John Bafar, NBC2.
Of course, one of the most important factors considered, of course, a pilot's vision. You want your pilot to be able to see. They must have 20/20 correctable vision.